Airtable versus Notion. Which productivity tool is better? Choosing the right productivity tool can completely change how you organize projects without wasting time. Airtable offers database power, while Notion provides flexible workspace customization. Airtable and Notion are two popular productivity tools designed to help you manage work efficiently. The core difference is Airtable focuses on spreadsheet database hybrid functionality, while Notion emphasizes an all-in-one customizable workspace for notes, tasks, and collaboration. Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of databases. It lets users create custom tables, link records, and visualize data through grids, calendars, and Kanban boards. Airtable works by structuring information in relational databases, which makes managing complex projects and workflows straightforward. Its strengths lie in its intuitive interface, strong automation features, and extensive integrations with other apps. Users can build powerful custom apps without coding, making it ideal for teams needing robust project tracking and data management. However, Airtable can become costly as teams scale, and its note-taking capabilities are limited compared to dedicated tools. It is best suited for users who prioritize data organization and collaboration on structured projects such as marketing teams, product managers, or event planners. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that blends note-taking, task management, databases, and collaboration into a single platform. It works by allowing users to build pages with blocks of content such as text, tables, checklists, and embedded media. Notion's strength is its extreme flexibility, enabling users to create personalized workflows, knowledge bases, and project trackers without rigid structures. It supports real-time collaboration and offers templates to speed up setup. However, Notion's database features are less powerful than Airtable's, and it may require more time to customize effectively. It is ideal for individuals or teams looking for a versatile tool that can handle everything from meeting notes to complex project documentation. Writers, designers, and startups benefit from its adaptability and centralized workspace. Choosing between Airtable and Notion depends on your workflow needs. Airtable excels when managing structured data with relational databases and visual project tracking, making it perfect for data-heavy projects like inventory management or CRM. Notion shines in flexible content creation and knowledge management, suitable for teams needing a centralized hub for notes, documents, and lightweight task tracking. Airtable offers stronger automation and integrations, but can be more expensive. Notion provides a more affordable, all-in-one approach, but with less database sophistication. For example, a marketing team tracking campaign assets might prefer Airtable, while a startup organizing meeting, notes, and product specs may benefit from Notion's versatility. Both tools support collaboration but serve different organizational styles and project complexities. Choose Airtable if your priority is managing complex data with customizable views and automation for streamlined project tracking and collaboration. Opt for Notion if you want a flexible, all-in-one workspace to organize notes, tasks, and databases in a highly customizable environment. Both tools offer powerful solutions, so select based on whether you need database strength or workspace versatility to boost your productivity.